Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. On my right hand, this is our newest products, the stockpile range. And let me give the overall dimensions first. The unit's length will be 18 inches wide. And the depth will be about like 42 inches. And the overall heights, they are about like 21 inches tall. So as we can see, the units to come in with two separate space. In the middle, they have a clearing space. And for this part, it's about like 3 inches wide. And we can see the burner pan, they coming with the 1, 2, 3 rings inner side. So at the front, we're having the 4 controllers to control the fires. And also at the bottoms, we're having the wick trees. You can clean all the stuff from here, dirt. And the units coming from the manufacturer, they have 4 legs. And they have slightly adjust the heights. And also when we're checking the manual books, they come in with adapter kits. So this one can using either the natural gas or liquid proteins. And also they do come in with a regulator converter kit. And on the side of the units, we do having the EPL sanitation stickers and the manufacturer information too. And for this burning space, it's about like 18 inches wide. And the almost like 18 inches deep too. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.